Today, I've got the ultimate guide for you on how to navigate the stock market in 2024 and pave your way to financial success. If you've ever wondered how to get rich through investing, you're in the right place. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of stocks. Before we jump into the specifics, let me assure you that the stock market is not just for Wall Street tycoons. With the right strategies and a bit of knowledge, anyone can build wealth through investing. In this video, I'll share some key insights and strategies tailored for 2024, helping you make informed decisions in the ever-evolving world of finance. 1. Market trends and research. To get ahead, you need to stay ahead. Start by understanding the current market trends and do your research. Whether it's emerging industries, technological advancements, or global shifts, being informed is your first step towards smart investing in 2024. 2. Diversification and risk management. One of the golden rules in investing is not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is crucial for managing risk. I'll walk you through how to build a well-balanced portfolio, ensuring that your investments are spread across different sectors and asset classes. 3. Tech tools and apps for investors. 2024 brings a wave of cutting-edge technology designed to empower investors. From AI-driven analytics to intuitive investment apps, I'll introduce you to the tools that can give you the edge in making informed decisions and managing your portfolio efficiently. 4. Long-term vs. short-term strategies. Should you be a day trader or a long-term investor, I'll break down the pros and cons of both strategies, helping you decide which approach aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. 5. Investing in sustainable and high-growth sectors. As the world changes, so do the opportunities in the stock market. I'll shed light on the sectors poised for sustainable growth in 2024, as well as those with high potential returns. Investing in the right industries can be a game changer for your wealth-building journey. Your guide to mastering the stock market and building wealth in 2024. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with fellow aspiring investors.